Hi, I'm Karina Fraley, and we are making our headband, and we're just about done. So we've gone ahead and we've sewn it, and go ahead and trim off any loose threads. And then you're going to cut your elastic. I'm going to use 3/4 of an inch in width elastic. The first thing you're going to do is actually turn your headband right side out. You can put your finger in there. Sometimes it's something that's as narrow as this. It's kind of hard, but this is when little hands, your kids' little hands come in handy because they can fit their little fingers in here and pull it right side out in no time at all. Okay, so I think I just about have it. Pull it out. All right, so there I have my headband, and my headband is 21 inches long. I'm gonna sew it up about an inch shorter when I close it. But then I want my elastic, I want this to have a little bit of give. If you can see here how it's a little bit scrunched up and then it stretches out, and that's so that there's some sort of grip when you put it around your head. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the elastic 18 inches. So go ahead and measure it. You can cut it a few inches shorter than whatever you want your finished length to be. Wait, measuring the wrong thing there. Okay, so I'm gonna get my elastic. And don't stretch it, just leave it relaxed. I'm gonna cut it there. And then you're gonna wanna take a safety pin, and this is the trick to getting it through. You put your safety pin like that, you close it up, and then you just feed it through. You can feel the safety pin, and that's kind of a guide, and then you can push it through. And then hold on to the pin. And you can see how it starts sliding on the elastic. All right, I'm gonna finish sewing this through, or feeding this through, and then we are going to sew our headband closed. So I'll see you at the next clip.